Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, if you're new, why don't you consider subscribing to my channel? We do lots of unboxings and hauls and collabs and some beauty. We do Mass Mondays, we do quite a bit of things, and we have lots of giveaways. And I would love to have you join our little YouTube family. And for all of you that are my returning subscriber friends, yes, ma'am, that's what you all are. You are subscribers, but you are also my friends. And I appreciate each and every one of you, and I welcome you especially. And today we are going to have a little jewelry haul. I think it is basically jewelry. Yeah, we've got Earfleek, we've got some Lemon Drop Love, and we have some Belk sales. Oh yeah, the Belk has the best prices when they have their jewelry on sale. It is fabulous. And we're going to get right to it. We're going to start off with the Earfleek. This is a subscription. This comes once a month. It's about $3.94 a month. You can get it for less if you sign up for a longer term subscription. Mine's a 6 months, and I get 6 months. It's $20 a month. It's $20 for the 6 months. So that's an incredible purchase. I get one pair of earrings, and they usually have a value of around $15.99 or so. I feel like I get my money's worth, and they're usually really cute. You can pick your, design, classic, boho. They have cutesy style. I'm more of a classic or a boho type girl as far as my jewelry. I don't really like to wear a bunch of, cutesy ones. I like them to be more classic and stylish. And it looks like this month they just have not failed me. Look at these asymmetrical curio cutie. This is my little product card. And that's what we're going to be looking at. And I can tell you right now, I like them already. And I haven't even seen them, just seen the picture. But here they are. They're nice little drops. And they've got them right now put together on this little hook thing. But they've got like a little, diamond-like, triangular look over there on the other side. They're very pretty. Whoops, I've got them backwards to you. Let me turn them around. I'm having a hard time showing them today. There we go. Now I've got me one on each side. And there we go. Now we can have a better look at it. And look how they're just swinging. So you can see that they're going to really be swinging on your ear. So they'll be actively moving. And I like them. What do y'all think? And like I said, it has the little sticker here. And they are $15.99. And I ended up paying like, $2 for them. So I think that's a heck of a deal. And I really like them. So you let me know what you think. Now that was Earfleek. It says, channel your inner Cleopatra with these curio cutie earrings with a pyramid shape and a shiny stone. These will add a bit of glitz to any outfit. And I'd say that's probably right. So very good. And they always come in this little pink little bag, so you can keep them all nice and safe and tucked away. My next item that I'm going to open up is from Lemon Drop Love, and they're changing their name. It's going to be another name. I don't remember what they're changing it to. They said that so many people thought Lemon Drop Love was Lemon Drops, those little candies, that they changed their name. And so they're still the same company, but they'll just have a new name. And Lemon Drop Love is you buy online. It's an online company. And I like to buy their jewelry pieces. That's what I get the most of. And Nancy Johnson is the owner. So it's a woman-owned business. And she brings us lots of nice little goodies. And this is what I got. Oh yeah, she had a magnetic bracelet, and I've bought several from her. So if you're looking for a place to buy magnetic bracelets, this is one place you can go. She has a small inventory when it comes to her bracelets, but isn't that beautiful? I have a silver one that's similar to this, but isn't that gorgeous? I just love it. So yeah, I just had to go ahead and put that on. And I love it because it stays in place and it looks like you have multiple bracelets on. And it's just beautiful. And with shipping, it cost me $17.99. I got it on sale for, I guess, about half price. But then when I had shipping of $5.99, which is a basic shipping cost, then it ended up costing me $17.99. But it was well worth it to me because I knew I was going to like it. So now we're getting down to Belks. Belks had one of their big sales where they already have it marked down, but you can get an additional 10% off. And I went a little bit crazy again, hopefully not too bad crazy, but I did buy some more jewelry. And we all know I probably don't need any more jewelry, but I bought some anyways. And this came from Belk, and these are these beautiful earrings. Look at those. You know, I like to wear gold and silver together, and that's why I got these. I thought those were so pretty. Don't y'all like those? I do. Very nice. So that's one thing I got. I got some more here. Let's see what else I got here. I'll just get it all opened up so y'all can see it all. Okay, this is the bracelet that I bought to go with it. And I'll just have to undo this. Now this was regular $16, and I got it for like $3.80. So I say that was a great purchase. And of course I like to wear bracelets, and I don't need a lot of bracelets either. Oh, it's a clip, look at that. So you clip it on, so I'm gonna put that on the other side. The retail price of these, $25, and I paid like $4 for them. So another good buy. And then I have another package here, or two. Let's see what's in here. This here was just a cute little journal that I got, and it has like the band here to hold it together. So when you write, it's got your lined paper, and when you're finished you can just clip it over. And it was just called a flex journal, and this was $3, so I thought great purchase. So it wasn't quite jewelry, was it? So I got a few surprises in here. Let's see what's in this. Now this one here has a gift in it, and the gift is for Laura, my daughter, so I can't even show it to y'all. But I can just say I got a good buy on it, and that's all I'm going to say, because I'm not going to show it. That's going to be like one of her birthday presents coming up. So maybe you'll see it in the future, but you're not going to see it today, because she'll be watching this video. All right, Laura, you'll just have to wait. Okay, now you've been forewarned. Okay, in here we have more jewelry, and we have quite a bit of jewelry. And this is the first little packet. Oh, this came with earrings, so it's a set. Isn't that pretty? Oh, wow. See, I already forgot what I ordered. This here is $25 regularly, and I got it for like $4 for the set. So that is very pretty, and it's got the silver and the gold, so it's going to be very bright and shiny. And then I bought this blue necklace here, and this too was $4. They're all between $3.50 and $4, so I may not have it exact. But this here is a $25 chain necklace. It's in blue. As you can see, very pretty, very beautiful. And this was $4. So I mean, like, very, very good buy. Love that. And then the next item I got looks like some gold and silver again. I'm really into this gold and silver look. And this has a touch of blue. Oh yeah, I like that. Isn't that pretty? And I'm sorry, I got my little puppy over there. She's having her little time of crying, because that's what she likes to do. This is a Evie and Emma, and it has a $25 or $28 value. And I'm not sure about this chain. It might be a little kinked. So maybe once I get it all undone, it'll be able to hang better than what it's showing here. But I liked it that had that little bit of blue in there. So very nice. And then I've got one more here, and I think this has also got some blue in it. Maybe it's more gray, silver and bluish gray. And I got this because I have a blue and silver necklace, and I thought maybe the earrings would go with that because I don't have earrings for that. But I could also, of course, use this. And this here had a retail $25. So, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is $100 in necklaces. And that means I got them about $4 each. So that's $16 for $100 worth of necklaces in that company with Belk. And then my earrings was $4. So I think I'm doing really good. And then my little book was $3. So that was a great purchase, I think, from Belks. So if you're ever, you know, go to belk.com, and they have clearance sales all the time, and you can find some fabulous, fabulous jewelry pieces for a fraction of the cost. Of course, I would highly recommend that. As for today, on my Belk, my Earfleek, and my Lemon Drop Love, so did you have a favorite? Do you love all the jewelry? But as for today, that's all I have. Be sure and look in my descriptions for any giveaways. I keep everything current there, and you can enter if you have not entered. And I will have some collabs coming out soon. And that's about it. So as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.